Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to do a no floor core exercise. So it's really important that we keep a strong core or work on strengthening our core to make sure that we have good, nice alignment and posture, and also it'll prevent falling. So we're gonna target each side of the core. So if you say you're walking downstairs and you trip, you'll be able to catch yourself, prevent from falling forward. Same thing with falling back, and say you're carrying some groceries or a heavy object in one hand, you won't tip over to the side. So first thing we're gonna do, all you need is a wall, a chair, and a ball. If you don't have a ball, that's fine. We still have other things you can do. So here we go. Against the wall. The closer you are to the wall, the easier. And then as over time, you can work your way back. So we're basically going to put our elbows right underneath our shoulders, right in alignment with them, and step away from the wall and push against the wall and engage the core. And just keep your head in alignment with the spine and breathe. And so you're just holding it. Now, if this is easy, you can step away, you can get on your toes a little bit. If it's too hard, you could just get close and again, stay in nice alignment and push against the wall, engaging the core. Okay, from there, we can do some rotations. So again, line it up. And then what you're gonna do is just open up, try not to twist, and bring it back. Open up, bring it back. Keep your hips squared, bring it back, rotate, bring it back. Give me a few more. Bring it back, bring it back. Belly to spine, keep that core tight. Engaged. Okay, and stop. So if you want it a little harder, you're gonna go ahead and get in the plank, and then you can rotate here. Back, push against the wall. Back, back, good. Keep it up. A few more. All right. So walk it in. Okay, next, back to the plank. You're gonna take opposite arm, opposite leg. There's no flexion or extension in the spine. So none of this is happening. You're keeping it nice, neutral spine and engage the muscles. So you're gonna lift one leg and then the opposite arm and then put it back. Switch, put it back. Switch. Okay, here's where the ball comes in. You're gonna place it on the wall and get into your plank. Keep a nice stable core, belly to spine, and stir the pot. Nothing moves but the arms. And reverse it. Okay, next we're gonna do wall ball squats. So what we're gonna do is put the ball on the wall, put it right in the small of our back, and lean against the wall. Okay, feet are about shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna keep your back up and the back against the wall, the ball against the wall, and you're gonna go down into a 90-degree angle and come back up. So you keep in your back up, nice tight core, and the ball is just right there to support you. Now, if you can't go down all the way to 90 degree, just start small. Get used to it first. But this should really be mastered before doing chair squats. And if you don't have a ball, yet. I will show you what you can do if you do need a stick to chair squats. Okay, next with the chair. So we're gonna face the chair to the wall. We're not using the back of the chair. Again, feet are about hip width apart, a little wider. And we really want to keep our chest up when we're doing chair squats. So if you have an excessive, really forward lean and you're getting up from there, you want to try to strengthen your core and your back muscles to keep you up. So the angle should be the same angle of your shin bone. So the heels are behind your knees slightly, and that angle is perpendicular to your upper body, torso. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put our hands up, we're gonna drive our feet into the ground, and lift up, and bring it down. So if you fall forward, you can stop yourself with your hands against the wall. Okay, so here we go, up and down, up and down. Let's get a few of them. Belly to spine. One more. Okay, next exercise is going to be a suitcase carry. Okay, so you're gonna have one weight in one hand and the other side's free. And you're gonna keep a nice straight spine, great posture. So what we want ears over shoulders, over hips, knees, and ankles. So we don't want to be leaning forward. We don't want our head shooting forward. We're pulling everything up and back. And then we're gonna walk without letting this weight pull us over to the side. So nice straight alignment and walk. You can walk forward, you can walk backwards. Now, if you've mastered this and you're staying and you're not being pulled over, you could bring it up shoulder height. This is a little harder. And then from there, overhead. So if you're really lifting up that shoulder, we need to pull it back down here. Your shoulders should be level, hips level, as you carry forward and back. And of course, you would do the same exact thing on the other side. Once you've mastered this, you can maybe grab a heavier weight. Just keep that nice, tight core. And that will prevent you from falling sideways. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this information helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also like and leave a comment.